Have you ever wondered why Python is the most preferred language for artificial intelligence? Python, a language that emerged in the late 90s, has seen a rapid rise in the field of artificial intelligence. This can be attributed to its simplicity and flexibility. The straightforward syntax and readability of Python make it an ideal choice for both AI enthusiasts and professionals alike. But what sets Python apart is its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Libraries like NumPy and Pandas simplify data analysis, while frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch provide high-level APIs for complex machine learning tasks. This means you can implement complex AI algorithms with just a few lines of code. Python's comprehensive standard library is another advantage, offering modules for everything from file I/O to system calls, even internet protocols. This combination of simplicity, flexibility, and vast resources make Python a powerful tool in the hands of AI developers. Python's simplicity and vast resources make it a powerful tool in the hands of AI developers. Python is not just a theoretical choice for AI. It's already making waves in practical applications. Let's take a journey through some real-world examples where Python's prowess in AI is being put to good use. First up, we have the recommendation systems that power our entertainment and shopping experiences. Think of the last time you watched a movie on Netflix or bought a book on Amazon. These platforms are able to suggest content you might like based on your past behavior. This is made possible by Python-powered machine learning algorithms. They analyze your activity, learn your preferences, and make accurate predictions. So, when you see that based on your viewing history tag, remember, it's Python working behind the scenes. Next, let's talk about image and speech recognition technologies. Google Photos, for instance, uses Python to recognize faces and objects in your images. And Apple's Siri, the voice-activated assistant, uses Python for understanding and responding to your voice commands. These technologies are powered by deep learning models, a subset of AI, written in Python. The language's simplicity and robust libraries make it an ideal choice for such complex tasks. Finally, we turn to the domain of natural language processing. Have you ever interacted with a chatbot or a virtual assistant? These AI entities need to understand and respond to human language, and Python is instrumental in this. Libraries like Natural Language Toolkit and Spacy make it easier to develop these sophisticated systems. So whether it's a customer service bot on a website or a virtual personal assistant, Python is likely playing a key role. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Python's reach in AI is expansive and growing each day. From recommendation systems to speech recognition, Python is the driving force behind many AI technologies we use daily. Python's role in AI is undeniable, but what does the future hold? It's clear that Python has been instrumental in the growth of AI, with its user-friendly syntax and vast array of libraries making it a go-to language for AI enthusiasts and experts alike. From machine learning to natural language processing, Python's versatility is evident in its wide range of real-world applications. Now let's gaze into the crystal ball. The future of Python in AI looks promising. Ongoing developments in Python libraries and frameworks are continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch are undergoing constant improvements, offering more capabilities and making AI development more efficient. And as AI itself continues to evolve, Python is expected to remain a key player. It's adaptable, it's constantly improving, and it's ready to rise to the challenges that the future of AI presents. As the landscape of AI continues to evolve, Python stands strong, ready to meet the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead.